Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel for Nurses Preparation. I'm Neeraj Kumar Kathal. Today we are presenting important topic that is diabetes mellitus. Let's begin our today's video. Let's first talk about the DM or diabetes mellitus definition. Diabetes mellitus is a chronic carbohydrate metabolic disorder expressed by hyperglycemia. Diabetes mellitus is a chronic carbohydrate metabolic disorder in which hyperglycemia occurs. Hyperglycemia means excess of blood sugar level. Normal fasting blood sugar level 70 to 110 mg per dl. In diabetes mellitus condition, fasting blood sugar level more than 126 mg per dl. Now let's talk about the clinical manifestations or important signs and symptoms of diabetes mellitus. There are three important signs found in a diabetes patient. These are polyuria, excess urination, polyphagia, excessive eating due to increased hunger, and polydipsia means excessive drinking. In this, thirst increases in the person. So if someone asks what are the cardinal signs of diabetes mellitus, you can say polyuria, polyphagia and polydipsia are the three important cardinal signs of diabetes mellitus disease. Other important signs and symptoms include hyperglycemia, as we previously told, increased blood sugar level in blood more than 126 mg per dl. Blood vision, slow wound healing, wounds of a diabetic person heals very slow. Glycosuria, presence of glucose in urine, generalized weakness. These are the important features of diabetes disease. Now let's talk about the treatment of diabetes mellitus condition. In the treatment of diabetes, we are using insulin, anti-diabetic medications, healthy diet and physical exercises. Insulin, anti-diabetic medications, healthy diet and physical exercise are important for treating diabetes condition. Now let's talk about the types of diabetes mellitus. We can classify the diabetes into three types: type 1 diabetes mellitus, type 2 diabetes mellitus and gestational diabetes. Let's first talk about the type 1 diabetes mellitus. It is also known as insulin dependent diabetes mellitus, IDDM. As the name shows, this diabetes is due to insulin dependence. Pancreas failed to produce enough insulin due to loss of beta cells caused by autoimmune response. In our pancreas, beta cells are present. These beta cells are responsible for insulin production. Due to a autoimmune response, these beta cells get destroyed and so are in pancreas not able to produce insulin, and this condition is known as type 1 diabetes mellitus or insulin dependent diabetes mellitus. Type 1 diabetes, also called juvenile diabetes, because mostly occurs in child, teenagers and young adults. Now let's talk about type 2 diabetes mellitus, that is also known as NIDDM. Full form, non-insulin dependent diabetes mellitus, or we can call it as adult onset diabetes, because it is mostly occurs in adult age. It begins with the insulin resistance, a condition in which cells fails to respond to insulin properly. Type 2 diabetes mellitus is a condition in which beta cells of pancreas produces sufficient insulin but our body cells unable to respond properly for this insulin. They develop a kind of resistance for insulin, and due to this blood sugar level increased, and this condition is known as diabetes, type 2 diabetes. Most common cause is combination of excessive body weight and insufficient exercise. Now let's talk about the third type of diabetes, that is known as gestational diabetes. Gestational diabetes occurs in pregnant women without previous history of diabetes. This type of diabetes occurs in pregnancy in a woman who don't have any kind of diabetes history previously. Last point of this video, diabetic coma. Diabetic coma is a condition due to extreme low or high blood sugar level. Diabetic coma is a condition in which person's blood glucose level is extremely high or extremely low. So everyone, this was all important points for diabetes mellitus DM condition. If you think this video is helpful, then please click upon the like button, share this video with your friends and subscribe our YouTube channel for nurses preparation for more interesting videos. We are regularly uploading videos on your demand. If you want any topic to be explained by us, you can write down in comment section. We will soon make a video on this. You can take a screenshot for your revision purpose. All the best.